Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today I start this tour by asking you a question. Have you been looking for the perfect detached family home set in the country? Well, this one may well be for you. Today we're taking a look at the beautiful Brook farmhouse located in the hamlet of Denstrud. Now, Denstrud is a hamlet located right between Whitstable and Canterbury, and we've already just seen down the left hand side now just behind us that you've got some newly built stables. So with this property, you're on an acre plot, you're surrounded by countryside, you've got the stables there, a new detached double garage, and the opportunity for a small holding. There's so much to go through with this property, and hopefully we can pack it all in to today's tour. As we walk down the private driveway and across the bridge over the creek there, you already get a sense of how beautiful the setting is out here. The property itself sits beautifully right in the middle of the plot, and you can see that we have an abundance of parking here. Straight ahead of us on the left hand side you can see, of course, the detached garage there, giving you plenty of parking options, and the house again sits proudly in front of us. A detached family home offering 5 bedrooms and an amazing array of ground floor living options. So we're going to spend a few moments taking a walk around the grounds before going into the main property and taking a look at exactly what we have there. But for now, let's go back to the grounds. The property itself sits on a 1 acre plot, which is beautifully presented. You're surrounded entirely by the countryside and surrounding farmland, and you really do get a sense of how peaceful and quiet it is out here. So here we are within the main hallway for the property, and you can see already the abundance of light that we have streaming through into the reception spaces. Coming through into the lounge, again you can see that beautiful focal point there in the fireplace, and coming through to the extended part of the property here, this gorgeous orangery with those fantastic, absolutely incredible views, and of course the bifolding doors which really do let you bring the outside inside. Beautiful emphasis on that here in the property. You can see that we've got the access through into the kitchen, dining and family area there, but again just take a look at that beautiful feature fireplace. The lounge itself, you can see, has been really tastefully updated, as has the rest of the property, and you'll see as we go throughout there really is nothing here for you to do at all. Now coming through into another reception room here at the front of the property, you can see that this is a dining room, or perhaps a 6th bedroom for you. You do of course have the bedrooms upstairs, but if you do need that all important ground floor living accommodation, then this property suits you and serves you well. With that dining room, of course, you've got the access through now into this beautiful kitchen space at the rear of the property. Now the kitchen itself is a bespoke, handcrafted and hand-painted kitchen, beautifully designed by the current owners and their joiner. The space has been beautifully opened up through into that dining space, which could easily serve as a dining or family area depending on how you'd like to lay out the property. You've got another bank of bifolding doors there, again just looking over those gorgeous countryside views and across the plot. So what we'll do is we'll take a few moments to take this space in. We'll then show you through to the utility room. Now with the utility room here in this property, you do have access outside, so if you are keen dog walkers and you get a little bit muddy out on your walk, it's perfect to come through this entrance here rather than muddying the hallway space up. So it's perfect for the dogs. And you'll see through here that you've got the all-important downstairs shower room. So with that possible bedroom at the front, again, if you need that ground floor living accommodation, you're well suited and served here. So let's go upstairs now and take a look at the space that we have there with the bedrooms and the beautiful bathroom and ensuite that we have there. Coming through into the first of 4 double bedrooms here on the first floor, you can see we've got again a real emphasis on light and brightness here. You can see the lovely view again over the fields and surrounding farmland here, and of course with all of the bedrooms up here, they are all good sized double rooms. You've got of course the fitted storage in there as well. Coming through into yet again another double bedroom, lovely size, beautiful views out across the surrounding countryside again there, and again plenty of space there for a double bed and plenty of space for storage as well. We'll go through and take a look at the main family bathroom next, and you'll see it's absolutely beautiful. We have brand new bathrooms and en-suites here within this property, as with everything else, absolutely brand new, so there's nothing here for you to do whatsoever. The bathroom itself really beautifully thought out. You've got that fantastic inset bath unit there with the shower just ahead, and then of course you've got the beautiful loo and sink unit there as well. We're coming through into yet again another double bedroom now, again with beautiful views just over the front, and you can see again there just the absolute abundance of parking that you have with this property, and again just the view here out of the Velux window on the side of the property there. Beautiful views, and again letting all of that natural light just flood through. Coming back across the landing, we'll take a look at the 4th double bedroom here on the first floor of the property. Again, another really good sized room with plenty of space for the double bed, and again plenty of light coming in from that lovely big window there at the front, and again a beautiful view just overlooking that private driveway to the front with that fantastic feature of the bridge just leading us over that beautiful little river there as well. Now coming up onto the top floor of the property, you'll find yourselves in a master bedroom suite with beautiful views again and a gorgeous Juliet balcony. In here you can see you've got plenty of storage options, and you do have the beautiful ensuite bath and shower room as well. So whilst we're up here, I'll leave you for a few moments just to take the space in, but whilst we're doing that, I'm just going to recap a few points on this property because there is just so much to go through. Of course, we're located in the hamlet of Denstrud, located right between Whitstable and Canterbury. We're set down that private driveway here as well. We've got the 1 acre plot, which is absolutely fantastic with those beautiful countryside views. We've got the newly built double garage, and we've also got the newly built stables to the front with the concrete yard, which is ideal for a small holding. We've got the paddocks here as well. I'm sure there's loads that you'd like to ask us about this property, and it really is one that has to be seen to be believed. So I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at this property with us today, and I really do encourage you to give us a call in the office, ask us a few questions about it, and possibly it could be the right one for you. So again, I hope that you've enjoyed looking at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, give us a call today to book your own free valuation.